How to send a doodle on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So Instagram has introduced a new feature that is doodling on your messages. So it's really fun and I'll show you how to do it. For that, head over to your Instagram app. You'll need to go to the DM section at the top right and then go to a conversation where you want to doodle. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom right and then tap on draw. Now you'll see various color options available at the bottom, and then you can see the slider to increase or decrease your pencil size and various pencil options at the top. Just choose the one of your choice and you can start drawing. So there you go. You can draw anything of your choice and you can just hit send option at the bottom right. And the person whom you have sent it to will also be able to draw back to you. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.